Why work 8 or more hours every weekday in a minimum wage job, when today online opportunities exist that we never had before? Hello and welcome to my channel. Before we dive into the strategies, I want to share a bit of my journey. I'm not a guru, not a tech genius, just an everyday person who was willing to try something new. You might be thinking, is this just another internet hustle? Stick with me, I think you'll be surprised. So, what do I actually do? I'm an affiliate marketer. I promote products that solve problems. When someone buys through my link, I earn a commission at no extra cost to them. I create content, websites, landing pages, and videos to drive traffic. Once it's set up, the system keeps working even while I sleep. There are many ways to make money online. I tried them all: drop shipping, surveys, ads. Each method had its own set of challenges and rewards. Drop shipping required me to manage inventory and deal with customer service issues. Surveys were time-consuming and often paid very little. Running ads demanded a significant upfront investment and constant monitoring to ensure profitability. Each of these methods had its own learning curve and set of frustrations, making it difficult to find a sustainable and enjoyable way to earn money online. But affiliate marketing was different. I don't need inventory. I don't handle shipping. I don't have to worry about customer complaints or returns. Instead, I can focus on what truly matters, providing value to my audience. By recommending products and services that I genuinely believe in, I can build trust and credibility with my followers. This approach allows me to create a more authentic and engaging experience for my audience, which in turn leads to better results and higher satisfaction for everyone involved. I just focus on value. I spend my time researching the best products, creating engaging content, and optimizing my marketing strategies. This allows me to connect with my audience on a deeper level and offer them solutions that meet their needs. The more value I provide, the more successful my affiliate marketing efforts become. It's a continuous cycle of learning, improving and growing, which keeps the work interesting and fulfilling. Years ago, opportunities like this didn't exist unless you had money, connections, or a physical store. Back then, starting a business required significant capital, a network of contacts, and a physical location to sell your products. The barriers to entry were high, and many people were unable to pursue their entrepreneurial dreams. The landscape has changed dramatically, making it possible for anyone to start a business from the comfort of their own home. But today, all you need is a laptop and some focus. The internet has leveled the playing field, allowing anyone with determination and a willingness to learn to succeed. With affiliate marketing, you can start with minimal investment and scale your business as you grow. It's a flexible and accessible way to achieve financial independence and create a lifestyle that suits you. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your own dedication and creativity. Let's be honest, the 9-to-5 grind can feel like a trap. Day in and day out, the same routine can wear you down, You wake up to the blaring sound of an alarm clock, rush through your morning routine, and then join the masses in the daily commute. The stress of traffic, the pressure of deadlines, and the monotony of the office environment can make you feel like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle. It's a cycle that drains your energy and leaves you feeling unfulfilled. Wake up early, sit in traffic, work long hours, barely cover bills. The routine is exhausting and it often feels like there's no escape. You spend your days working hard, but at the end of the month you find yourself just scraping by. The bills keep piling up, and the dream of financial freedom seems further away than ever. The constant grind can leave you feeling drained and unfulfilled. You start to wonder if this is all there is to life. Time is your most valuable asset. Every second that ticks by is a moment you can never get back. We often take time for granted, but it's the one thing we can't buy more of. As the days turn into weeks and the weeks into years, you might find yourself wondering where all that time went. Did you spend it doing what you love, or did it slip away in the daily grind? The realization that time is slipping away can be a wake-up call. Once it's gone, you can't get it back. The moments you miss with family, the opportunities you pass up, the dreams you put on hold, they're all gone forever. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and forget about the things that truly matter. But what if there was a way to reclaim your time and live life on your own terms? What if you could break free from the constraints of the traditional work model? Now picture this. You wake up naturally, no alarm clock. The sun gently filters through your curtains and you stretch out in bed feeling refreshed and ready to start the day. There's no rush, no frantic morning routine. You have the freedom to set your own schedule and live life at your own pace. Imagine starting your day with a sense of calm and purpose, rather than stress and urgency. This is the kind of life that many people dream of, but few believe is possible. You brew your coffee, check your stats, and you've made money in your sleep. The financial freedom that comes with passive income allows you to focus on what truly matters. Whether it's spending more time with loved ones, pursuing your passions, or simply enjoying the little moments in life, you have the flexibility to do it all. The stress of living paycheck to paycheck becomes a thing of the past. You can finally breathe easy and enjoy the fruits of your labor. That's the freedom affiliate marketing can offer. It provides an opportunity to break free from the traditional work model and create a lifestyle that aligns with your values and goals. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and build a business that generates income around the clock. It's not just about making money. It's about reclaiming your time and living life on your own terms. So why stay trapped in the 9-to-5 grind when you can embrace a life of freedom and fulfillment? The choice is yours to make. No, it's not easy money. You have to learn the skills. Build a site, create content, get traffic, understand your audience. But the effort pays off. Eventually your income grows. You can even replace your job. And for many, that's the dream. Freedom from what feels like an open prison job. I'm 77 years old, technically retired, but still earning online. Why? because UK pensions barely cover basic expenses, and because I believe age should never stop you from learning something new. In the beginning, I made mistakes, built lists that didn't convert. Over time, I learned to speak only to people who truly cared. Now, I help others find real solutions to real problems.
Check, check. Check one, check two, check, check.
I'm not a professional speaker. I'm not comfortable on camera. That's why I create faceless videos like this, using tools that I'll be sharing on this channel soon. If you feel the same, don't worry. You can still succeed without showing your face. If anything I've said resonates with you, check out my other videos. I have a wide range of content that covers various topics, from technology tips for seniors to lifestyle advice and personal growth. Each video is crafted with the intention of providing value and making your life a little bit easier and more enjoyable. So, if you find my content helpful, there's a lot more where that came from. Dive into my playlists and explore the variety of subjects I cover. You might find something you didn't even know you needed. I post nearly every day. Consistency is key, and I make it a point to upload fresh content regularly. Whether it's a tutorial, a motivational talk, or a simple life hack, you can expect new videos almost daily. This way you always have something new to look forward to, and you can stay engaged and informed. My goal is to keep you inspired and equipped with the knowledge you need to navigate your daily life with ease. And if you'd like to support my goal of reaching 4,000 watch hours, please subscribe. Your subscription not only helps me reach my goals, but also ensures that you never miss out on any new content. By subscribing, you become part of a community that values learning, growth, and mutual support. It's a win-win for both of us. Plus, you'll be the first to know when new videos are uploaded, keeping you ahead of the curve. Like, leave a comment. Your likes and comments are incredibly valuable. They not only boost the video's visibility, but also provide me with feedback. I read every comment and take your suggestions seriously. Your engagement helps me understand what you enjoy and what you'd like to see more of. So don't hesitate to share your thoughts. Your input is crucial in shaping the content I create, ensuring it meets your needs and interests. And share with someone who needs this message. I read every comment, and I create content based on your questions. Sharing is caring, and by sharing my videos, you help spread valuable information to those who might benefit from it. It's a small act that can make a big difference in someone's life. You never know who might need that piece of advice or encouragement today, and I create content based on your questions. Let's grow together. Your questions and feedback are the driving force behind my content. I aim to address your concerns and provide solutions that are both practical and effective. Together, we can create a community where everyone feels heard and supported. Your voice matters, and it helps guide the direction of this channel. Let's build something that gives you back your time, your freedom, and your life. My ultimate goal is to help you reclaim your time and live a life of freedom and fulfillment. Whether it's through educational content, motivational talks, or practical advice, I'm here to support you every step of the way. Let's embark on this journey together and make the most out of every moment. Together, we can create a life that is not only productive but also deeply satisfying and meaningful.